not endless stakeholder consultation.
He's a local professor. He doesn't understand urban Madam,
How do you stop the corruption?
Yeah, if people
You
get
can, huh?
It's a big problem. It's a
Yeah.
problem, but it needs to be some sort of awareness
The way to see that not helped in the past. Yeah?
and enforcement. If awareness doesn't work, then we have to go to enforcement.
another very good option of enforcement is this type of structure. Walkways, and if you, for example, same thing happened with the Turag River in around Dhaka
But I
city.
even saw in Gulshan.
Yes,
They have made it still good.
yes, but when you have this kind of walkway of course, and then you have some kind of design approach, then people, you do not have to stop the
And one of the solution might be area of river must be fixed with solid, bricks or permanent structure, so that people cannot throw it over.
not bricks. We are not talking about bricks because if we have solid structure, then it will disrupt the ecosystem. So we're talking about more eco-friendly.
Eco-friendly, nature-based solution.
Might be a solution, but it must be the fixed river area.
Yeah,
So
definitely.
that is that would be the permanent solution. If you and not only that, if we fix the river area, but people do not listen this area, so that would not work. We have to first fix the area, then we have to maintain how to keep this area permanent. That would be the maintenance maintaining policy. So that is why we need people engagement, local engagement. That would be sustainable.
Currently for the Minister of Water Resources, we are delimiting already.
সাই ভাই আমরা এসএল থেকে একটা গাছ লাগাবো
চলে আসুন।
Whole Bangladesh. And government recently has taken government.
Like you need to have to identify proper boundary because someone enforces this, so I just the original boundary.
We have to fix boundary as well as we have to maintain that boundary with the engagement of local. So that is important. Otherwise,
Immediate action is required.
otherwise
You have a study but no action, then
stop.
not impossible. Of course possible. We have some good examples.
This is an example. But we are studying on an example.
That is what we are saying.
Work in progress. An example.
Immediate action. That was the idea actually of Mr. Abul Kalam Azad. Yesterday we met ex-chief engineer of the LGD. His idea was that we should not wait for 2 years.
He wants to know when the work will resume.
When it will resume? That's a good question. We hope that there will be money to support it coming. We hope so.
আপনারা কি এই জায়গাতে আশাবাদী কিনা, মানে দেখি পছন্দ হয়েছে কিনা এবং আপনারা কি আগ্রহী কিনা এই কাজ সম্পর্কে, এটা কি ডিল হয়ে গেল কিনা আজকে? ভিডিও নাও।
আমার ছাগল হবে